Hi, I'm Gareth Yeomans, the Technical Manager here at Sync Energy. Welcome back to the Sync Energy Flow training series. In this video, I'll take you through a step-by-step of how to install the flow system safely, quickly and neatly. But before we start, hit like, subscribe and tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video in the series. Find a flat, firm surface. Avoid slopes or loose ground. Avoid wall clutter, such as pipes, boxes, brackets and signage. Leave space for access at the front and at the sides. Position the floor mount flush to the wall. Use a spirit level to check that it's flat. Adjust the feet and tighten the nuts, and then recheck that it's level. If your installation includes multiple stacks or mounting the inverter separately, it's always a good idea to prepare the link cable now. The link cable fits into the bottom of the stand, so fitting the cable now for the next stack prevents you having to take apart everything later on. Use the fold-out carry handles. Always lift with help, never solo. Stack carefully, a max of 4 modules per stack, either 3 batteries and 1 inverter or 4 batteries. Each battery connects with the plug-and-play terminals. Use the wall template to mark up the securing points and the cable entries. The bottom of the template aligns with the battery locating pins, so just mark and drill and simply mount the bracket to the wall. Lift the inverter into place and it hooks onto the battery and the wall bracket. Bolt all the modules together. Open the inverter door and finally the 2 screws to lock it onto the bracket. Now that the stack's secure, let's take a moment to wire the system properly. This is where a bit of care goes a long way to making your install look neat, safe and efficient for the homeowner. Connect the on-grid AC supply. This is the minimum requirement to run flow as an AC coupled battery system. It's ideal for charging on those cheaper tariffs and utilising power during those peak hours. If the customer has solar, connect up the 2 PV strings using the MC4 connectors. It's a simple way to top up the batteries with a clean self-generated energy. Connect the battery backup output to a dual row or a split load board, a little bit like the BG dual row, to support essential circuits such as the customer's Wi-Fi and lighting. Plug the CT clamp into the marked port on the far right hand side. This works just like the ones we use on our EV chargers. Plug in the smart dongle into the COM port. This clips onto the left or right hand side of the inverter and then connects the system to the Sync Energy app. Before you finish up, let's cover the 3 isolation points, essential for safe servicing and upgrades. Inside the main inverter door, you'll find a PV isolation switch. This disconnects the inverter from the solar panels, and it's essential to wait 10 minutes before unplugging to prevent DC arc flash. On the left-hand side of the inverter, push the door to open the panel. Inside, you'll find 2 more isolation switches, one for the battery and one for the grid. These are preset to off from the factory. Flip them on to power up. The battery will run a self-check and show a green LED when it's ready. If the LED does not turn green immediately, don't worry. It may reflect the current stage of the charge level and will go fully green once the battery's topped up. And that's it. A quick professional install done right. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe and leave a comment below. In the next video, we'll show you how to connect your flow system to your network and get it fully set up and commissioned in the Sync Energy app. So that's it from us. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.